that time, it's too late. And that was like only 2 years after. And who got all that money? Where did all the money go to? His wife got a fraction of it. In fact, she had to sell the house to pay her attorneys. The attorneys take you to the bank. That's why they'll give you a half hour, an hour free time. Come in and whine about your problem. Because if what they're really doing is scratching their head and they're saying, well, how much do you got? Do you own a house? They want to know, do you own a house? Do you have stocks? Do you have bonds? When they ask you all those questions, they don't care about your issue. Mm-hmm. They care about how much can I squeeze out of you before you're dried up, wrinkled up, and ready to toss to the can, and they go on to the next victim. This is why this original 13th Amendment, passed in 1812, bars attorneys from being a member of a bar. It literally says if you belong to a bar, remember, and the attorneys also, oh, I'm a member of the bar. Really? Then you're a criminal if you're holding office or you're going into court. Because BAR stands for British Accreditation Registry, and they will not tell you that. Lawyers won't tell you that. And because it's British, it's a foreign power. That means their allegiance is somewhere else, not the United States. They violate the original 13th Amendment. That's why I can say, honestly, they should all be arrested. Every judge has been a bar member. Every prosecutor. Oh, and I forgot to tell what I was going to say about Christine Stanley. I found out that she was prosecuting people without a license. She had not paid her bar fees. So guess what I did? I got on the horn. I called the State Bar Association. That's the club of criminals up in Sacramento or San Francisco. And I said, I discovered that Christine Stanley simply didn't pay her membership, and she's prosecuting people. You know what? Every person she put in jail should be automatically freed, whether they were guilty or not, because she had no license to prosecute them. And I asked them, what are you going to do? Are you going to prosecute her for, so, oh, the worst we can do is a misdemeanor. It's only a misdemeanor offense. And a week later, they get back to me, yeah, Mr. Wagner, we're not going to prosecute her. So what they're telling you is just what Dennis wrote in his book. Attorneys are above the law. That means they're claiming that honor that Dan doesn't have, and I don't have, and you don't have. They are criminals, all of them, criminals, because they're members of the bar. Even my good friends that I like Michael Min, they just say, well, I just work with the system. That's what they tell you. I work in this system. You don't have to be in the system. You can go under common law and force them out of it. And we're going to discuss that in a few